name is Jabri, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys this new headband wig by Unice. I just did a video on the headband wig. I think it was my last review video, but this is going to be a different type of wig. This is a water wave wig that they sent me. You guys will see it when we start the video and get into it and all that kind of stuff. And I'm also going to be showing you guys this wig that's on my head. Yes, this is a wig. This is a wig. It's attached. Don't even say nothing right now. Just watch the video, okay? Just watch the video. And if you enjoy it, make sure that you thumbs this video up and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because of my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? Period. So just hop right into this video. Okay, so I know I look absolutely crazy. Y'all have never seen me like... Well, y'all seen me bald head a couple times, but this is giving a different look. Y'all like it or what? Don't mind that, but do y'all like it? Is it giving? Okay. Anyways, so as you guys know by the title, I'm gonna be trying out these headband wigs. I just tried one, but that one was a different kind of one. This one is a water wave unit, and I got a bonus wig, so we're gonna see how that goes. But before we hop into this, I'm just going to show you guys what all I got in the packaging, because I got a lot, and I think you guys get this too when you guys get your wigs. Probably not as many headbands because I got two separate packages, but I'm just going to show you guys everything that they sent in the box. So they sent this headband, which is super cute, giving very much fall vibes. They sent me this headband. I don't know what this is, but it just seems to have some yellow and some red in it. Since this, that's gonna be cute. This one, this headband, this headband, this headband, this headband. This is cute with the little flamingos on it. A pearl headband as well. This cute clip. I don't know how I would put. Well, I guess you could, but that would be a lot. A headband and a clip, but they probably just sent this just as a gift. And then also they sent this little goodie bag with Unice on it. A wig cap, well, two wig caps. A scarf. Is this a scarf? Yeah, I think this is a scarf. It just has Unice on it as well. And they sent me some nail stickers for my nails. They sent me these lashes, child. These are cute. Let me take it out so you guys can see what they look like. That's what the lashes look like. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that came in the package. For these wigs, I mean, it's optional, but I like to pull out baby hairs. So as you guys seen in my last video, you can use a wig that you already got on. You can put this one on top, or you can use your natural hair, which is what I'm doing today. I just have on this wig cap. It doesn't matter what color wig cap you guys put on or wear, how much baby hair you guys pull out. That is all optional. This wig is pretty much about being functional without having to do the most. Like, this wig is the epitome of I don't feel like it, but I still want to look good. Like, that's what we on today. So I'm just gonna show y'all these wigs that they sent me. Okay, so the first unit they sent me is this super duper cute water wave wig. I think this is my favorite pattern when it comes to hair in general, or weave in general, is this water wave. This looks so good. It doesn't matter what form it come in, bundles, frontal, unit, it doesn't matter. It always looks so good. But they sent this in the form of a freaking headband wig, so we're gonna put this on today. Well, if you guys don't know, headband wigs is basically just where the frontal would be is a headband. Like, it's sewn onto the unit, and you use these right here. It's like a Velcro strap, and you clip it together in the back of your head, and that's all you literally have to do for this wig. And of course they sent all those headbands so that you can, you know, just to show you that you can wear whatever headband or whatever you want to with these units. But so yeah, it's super simple, and then it comes with combs on the inside so that it's, you know, super duper secure. This is what the inside of the wig look like. Everything is wefted, so you won't see too much shedding from this unit, because shedding comes from frontals and closures and lace in general. Okay, it look crazy right now, but you just slide it back, and you just pull the headband down, and you can bring it as far or as to the back as you want it to be. This is what it looks like. My baby hairs look crazy because they got makeup all over them, but this is what the freaking unit looks like. I'm going to show you guys a way that I'm going to style it. You can still do whatever part you want to do. You can do a side part, a middle part, or you can just have it just going wherever you want it to go. You can also put this unit in a ponytail. I feel like this would be super good for like people who work out all the time and, you know, they don't want to have to worry about their frontals sweating out or their hair at all. You can literally put it up in a ponytail because the back is a headband. Like, girl, a whole freaking unit that you ain't even got to do nothing to. So that's what this looks like by itself before styling. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like if you was just to throw it on. It looks super cute. The hair is super bomb. The hair is so cute, like so long, so full. So I'm going to show you guys how I would style it if I wore it. So what I would do is try to split the hair down the middle and take two little sections, well, a lot smaller than this. Take a little piece like that and then pull another piece the same exact size like that. Okay, so while I went to go find a scrunchie, I actually found another headband that they sent me. This is what that one looks like. This is super cute. I would wear this with like a shirt off the shoulders, like, you know, like a little Moroccan vibe. Okay, anyway, so what I'm gonna do is just put all of this hair, or just get it out of the way. You don't have to be nothing fancy, but you're just gonna have it out of your way. And what headband do I want to use? I'll use this one. So just put this on top of your head and put the scarf over the headband. I'm gonna make the headband part smaller. So what I'm gonna do is just take the scarf and tie it, and just tie it like a regular bow. It really doesn't matter how it looks in the back of your head because all this hair is pretty much gonna cover it. So I just tie it in the back and let the hair go. So now you have like these cute two little pieces in the front. They look like a little bang. I like them to look like they're coming from the front of my head. See y'all, now they gave it a whole new look. Ooh, that is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. Like, no effort. Just running out the house, need a wig to put on. So cute. I actually want to cut these two pieces in the front so they're not so long. Should I cut it or should I leave it? Put this one. Ooh, that one is cute. You can't even do this. I remember when this was a thing, when girls used to tie their scarves around their head like this. Do y'all remember that, or am I tripping? Like, I remember that. That was a whole era. This is literally giving me like hippie vibes. Like, okay. This is so cute. Y'all don't know how convenient stuff like this would have been when I was actually in school. Like, being able to just run out the freaking house and throw on any kind of wig and just throw a headband on top of it. Like, this would have been so cute with like a little outfit and like a skirt and like, oh, this would have just been so perfect for when I needed it. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna take off this one and take off this whole wig and show you guys the next wig. So this one right here is a little different now. It got a whole hat, a whole entire hat as a wig. Like, it's, y'all see that? It's like a baseball cap, but like it's tracks sewn into the hat. I ain't never tried nothing like this before. I don't know how this is about to look, but it's straight hair. It looks straight. I'm not even gonna lie, like, this feels like maybe 2 bundles of hair. So it's not all of that thick, but it's thick enough if you need, if you looking for a hat wig and you just really desperate for something that'll be convenient. But This is like, I feel like I'm undercover. Like, I don't know, but like, it could really work. Hold on. I'm about to straighten this hair out so you guys can really see the whole look. This is what the hair looks like. It's kind of long, but I'm about to straighten it out a little bit so you guys can see like the whole look. Because y'all, this could actually be something. Like, I was a little bit skeptical, not gonna lie, about this wig. I underestimated it, but this is literally perfect. This is literally perfect, and the hat doesn't feel cheap. Like, it's a sturdy hat. Like, I don't even know how to show y'all that it's a good hat. I would put like, get something on it. Child, I do the most, but this is crazy, y'all. I can't believe this. I gotta tell Instagram about this. If y'all see me out with this hat, y'all better not say nothing. I swear, y'all better not tell on me. Like, this, nobody would ever freaking know. Like, if I really put something on this hat, like some words or something, nobody would ever freaking know. Okay, so the flat iron is hot now, so I'm just gonna press out this hair. This is wild, y'all. This is so wild. Nobody would ever freaking know. Like, I think I saw these like on a meme one day, and like, I did not know like they were legit. Like, they actually look realistic. Like, nobody would know. Okay, let me calm down. Nah, Unice, y'all might been snap with this wig right here. I'ma ask. Dang, I just stuttered. I'ma ask Zay what he think. If he say it look realistic, then y'all, that mean that it look realistic. I really hope I'm not just like overreacting right now. But I think it looks good. I'm trying to be quiet so he don't hear me talking about it. But y'all, look at this. Bitch. Okay. Let's go ask Zay what he thinks. Oh my God, y'all. Looking. Oh my God, y'all. It looks so good. Hey, Alyssa girl. What you think about this? Hold on. What you think? What do you think? You think it looks good?
Well, that means it don't.
What do you mean?
That means there's a catch to something going on. Is it the makeup or your hair? Or
like, does anything look like out of the ordinary?
your eyebrows?
My eyebrows? Like nothing else?
No.
Like everything else looks normal? Okay, but the question is, do I look good?
Yeah. Ugly or something? I don't know.
Babe.
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
It's tracks. This is a hat wig.
What does that mean?
That means like if I take off the hat, like the hair is sewn onto the hat, and like it's a whole. You know what I'm saying?
I would never guess that.
You would have never guessed it.
No.
So the wig got Zay's approval, which means it looks realistic.
I definitely tried to see something wrong.
He said he tried to see something wrong, but y'all, girl. Okay, this video, y'all, not even gonna lie, was supposed to be about the headband wig, and this right here, this stole the whole show. Like, my boyfriend just said he didn't notice nothing. But yeah, y'all, so that is pretty much all for these units. But if you enjoyed this video and if you would wear one of these, then give this video a like. You already standing in. You might as well come in. Get this video.
This is 10 out of 10 up close.
Would you notice?
No. I would try to take your hat off and explode you on accident. You know, if we was flirting or something, I would have tried to, and that's the only way I would have been able to tell.
But anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you would actually wear one of these wigs or purchase one of these wigs, leave me a like and a comment down below and tell me what you guys think about these. Or am I just hyping it, or does it actually look good? Let me know in the comments. But also make sure that you subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on period. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.